Hi cuties, how are you all? Today in EVS class we are going to see rhymes, okay? Conversation of water. Now water is talking with you all, okay? You know what water will say? Don't waste the water, okay? See? Close the tap, close the tap. When you brush. Use a bucket. When you bath. Repair the tap. When it leaks. Save water, save. See what the water is saying? Close the tap. Okay, you should not open the tap and brush. Okay, then water will be waste. No, when you are brushing, close the tap and brush. After brushing, you can open it and wash your face. Okay, use a bucket. Don't use shower. Okay, it will waste more water. No, if you use bucket means you know your limit, how much you are bathing, how many water you are taking. Okay, then repair tap. When the water leaks in a tap, no, should not leave like that itself. You change the tap and use it again tap. Okay, then save water. What the water is telling you, please save the water for next generation. Without water, you know, no one cannot live. So if you waste now itself, then next generation will not have any water. Okay, so now itself save the water. Some more, see down, some more good habits to conserve water. Turn off taps while washing clothes. See what your mother's all will do. They will open the tap, the bucket will be very full, and the water will be pour outside. Okay, so they are saying turn off the taps, close the tap while washing the clothes. Water the plants in the morning. Every morning you have to water the plants. I told you, no, even the animals, plants all need water. Without water, they also cannot live. So, morning you have to water the plants. Okay, then see page number 70. We need to use water sparingly. If we do not have enough water, our life becomes difficult. See, top, they are showing the difficulties of water. If you waste the water for this generation, then the next generation, we cannot say next generation. In some places it's already, it's like this only difficulty only. See, they are going males ago, and they are taking from small ponds, they are taking water and they are carrying. Okay, it's very difficult. No, see this side, in water tank they are getting water, they are fighting with each other and they are getting water. If you need this all, no, you are getting water in your home itself. No, so if you waste, no, same, you have to go and carry water from the males, otherwise you have to fight with each other when you're taking water from the water tank. See, mark the places where water is wasted with a cross. See, there you can see one lorry, yellow color. Okay, that's a water lorry. See, it's pouring water in everywhere and it's going. Yes or no, ma? Yes. So that's wrong. No, you have to put cross. Take your pencil and you have to mark it as wrong. Cross. Okay. Then see, washing the scooty is washing the scooty, but you can use bucket. No, is using the pipe. Okay, in pipe the more water will be waste. No, still we are putting soap. All water will be wasted. No, so there also you have to put cross mark. See, she is washing the clothes. See how many water is wasting. See down all so much water is wasted. No, so you have to put cross mark. See there in house. No, there is a pipe. Wash basin is there. There also see how many water they have opened the tap and came. See there also how many water is wasting. Ma, you there also you have to put cross. See top of the syntax. They on the motor and the syntax is filled, and see how many water is wasting, it's coming through home. No, black color syntax. No, that also wrong, so you have to put cross mark. Okay, ma, so see how many types we are wasting the water. Think then we also will face so many difficulties in our future. Okay, now take page number 71. Cross the picture in which water is being wasted. See, first boy is washing the car with the pipe. With the pipe, if you wash it, see, is catching the water down, but is wiping in the glass. So it is waste. No, so you have to put cross. See here, second one. There is full of vessels in the basin, but she is taking selfie opening the water tub. It's also waste, no ma. So second also you have to put cross mark. Okay. Third is washing the car with a bucket, so it is very good habit, so you have to put tick. Then he's taking bath by bucket. Okay, it's also good habit, you put tick. See, Next, one boy is wearing blue color t-shirt. No, is brushing. He has opened the wash basin pipe. See, water all wasting, so it is wrong. No, so you have to put cross. Next one, she is washing the cloth, but the pipe has opened. See, water all going down. It's wrong. No, so many water is wasting. No, so what you have to do? You have to put cross mark. Then she is closing the tap and she is washing her cloth. It's very good. You can put tick mark. Okay. Then see, he is taking bath in a shower. See how many water is wasted. So it's wrong. No, so you have to put cross. See, then he is closing the tap. The tap has been closed. Then he is brushing. It's very good habit. Okay, you can put tick. Okay, ma. This second unit, our second unit is over. Okay, so water, the lesson water is over. You have to do the book work and complete for the second. If you not completed still now, you can complete it, ma. Okay, now all take your note. Ma. First write today's date. Okay, then today what we are going to learn is uses of water. In this lesson, it's very important. Uses. A is A is uses of O if of water. Wa A T A air. Okay, then write numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, drinking. D air E in K ing. Okay, next is cooking. K U K E ing G. Cooking. Okay, next one is washing. Wa A is K ing. Ing. Wash ing. Okay, next one is bathing. B A T. Bathing. Bathing. Okay, then fifth one is cleaning. K L A in ing. Cleaning. Okay, uses of water. See, drinking. E ink means ink. We have learned already now. E ing means ing. Drink ing. D ir dir ink ing. Drinking. Okay. Cook. You know already. Cook ing. Cooking. Wash. Wa a ish h. Washing. Bath. B a it. If th means how you have to pronounce it. B a it. Bathing. Clean. K il a in. Clean ing. Okay, uses of water, it will come to your exam. Okay, it's very important in this lesson. So uses of water: drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning. Learn it very well, ma. It will be useful for your exam. Then this week spell well also. Okay, today class is over. Ma'am will see you in next class. Thank you.